Hey everyone, it's Jake with Northern Tesla, and today we'll be reviewing the Abstract Ocean T and Y design puddle lights. So here they are, and basically what they do is they replace your current puddle lights and they project a little Y or a T on the ground. And the things you'll need for this install are obviously the puddle lights, but also you'll need this spudger, which I also got from Abstract Ocean. All these products will be linked down below, and yeah, that's all you need, just a spudger and the lights. As you can see, we are down here, and there is the light right there. And you see this lip? That's where you want to put the spudger. Alright, so you just take the spudger and the light just pops out like that. And next you'll just want to unclip this. Alright, this was actually a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. I had to use the end of the spudger to push this down, and then that's what will release the light. So here it is, and the window will go down. It's just a safety measure for the car. It's totally normal, and but don't worry, when you put the new light in, it'll just go right back up and everything will be fine. Alright, here's the T light. I don't know if you heard the window, but it made an electrical connection. Bam. I don't know if you can see that, there's a little T on my hand. Alright, so then you just pop it back in, and there you go. Make sure once you put it in, you look at it and you see if it's orientated correctly. And from what I'm seeing, it might be really hard to see this because it's daylight, but there's a T on my hand, and from what I'm seeing, it looks straight to me. Perfect. Now let's do the other side. Alright, here we are on the other side, and we'll just do the exact same thing. With the back doors, you'll notice that it's a lot more crammed. And be careful when you're lying down on the ground to do this, because I just smacked my head against the wheel well trim. Anyway, with these back doors, I'll be putting in these Y lights. So it's pretty much just the same process. So here's the Y light installed. I don't know if you can see that, but the Y is there. Unfortunately about these Y lights is that they're not in the Tesla font, but maybe one day Abstract Ocean will release it in the Tesla font, but for now it's a Y with a different font, but it looks like the orientation's right. So perfect. Now just do the last one. Alright, now that I'm in a... Thanks, Tesla. Now that I'm in a darker space, you can see the T is projecting onto the ground pretty well. It's a bit lopsided though. This end is a bit bigger than this end. I don't know if you can see that, but that seems to be a trend throughout all of them. So I think it's just the way it has to be with manufacturing and all that. And then back here is where I put the Y. And oops. And that looks pretty good too. It doesn't look lopsided at all, this one, so yeah. And there you have it. They're really bright, they're clear. So yeah, there's no mistaking that that's a Y and that that's a T. Alright, and those are the T and Y puddle lights from Abstract Ocean. Out of 10, I would give them a rating of 8. Because although they are brighter than the OEM ones, the puddle lights, they are still a tiny bit dimmer than I thought they would be, but not dim enough so that it's like problematic or anything. It will light up the ground easily, and especially at night, you will definitely see the T and Y. But yeah, overall, 8 out of 10. I will be linking them down below, of course, or you can buy them yourself. If you like this video, click that like button. It helps YouTube and the algorithm push my push my video out to other people, so then more people can come and watch me, and it really helps me out. If you like my video and you want to see more of me, click that subscribe button. And if you want to know whenever I upload, make sure you click the bell as well. And if you're interested in buying a Tesla, please use my referral link down below. It will give you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging or $250 cash prize. And it also not only helps you, but it helps me out too. It gives me the free supercharger miles as well. All right, I'm Jake from Northern Tesla. Thank you for watching.